Hey guys, it's Bree and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be putting together some DIY Christmas gift baskets, and I just thought it would be a fun video idea. So I have 4 baskets that I'm making. The first 2 I'm going to do together because they're the most similar. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, or you get some ideas, or whatever the case may be. So yeah, so for these baskets I have what I'm going to put into them. So I have a shower gel and a body lotion from Bath & Body Works. You can of course use any brand that you want, and you can use any item. Gift baskets are very they're good gifts in my opinion, because you can make them super personal, or you can make them very vague if it's for like teachers or coworkers, and you can make them as big as you want or as small as you want. This is just what I decided to get, and this scent is Fresh Sparkling Snow. It smells so good. And all of these baskets are for females, by the way, just in case you were wondering. So I have these 2. I have this bottle. It says Celebrations, and it's just filled with candies. I love to add like candies or a snack into gifts, because like who doesn't like candy and snacks? And I also like that it was bigger to help kind of fill out the space. And then I have this face mask. I got this at Target, and if you couldn't tell, I kind of kept with the color scheme of like the black and the gold. So I got a face mask, and then these little like bath crystal things, and the packaging was white and gold. So that's what's going in one basket. And then the second basket is basically the same thing. I did use a different scent though, just so everybody doesn't have the same scent. This one is Into the Night, which is one of their new scents, and it smells so good. The same bottle of candy, the little crystal things, but these are a different flavor or scent. And then also a face mask, but just not the same exact one. So yeah, I also got these baskets at Dollar Tree, and these are pretty good for a Dollar Tree basket. Normally Dollar Tree baskets are like red or green or blue, and they're super flimsy and just plasticky, so I was really happy to find these. And then I also got these like paper shreds from the Dollar Tree as well, and I got black just to go with like the black and gold theme pretty much. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put this basket together, well both of them, and then show you how it looks. Alright y'all, so this is how these turned out. So here is the first one, and the second one. Once I liked the placement of the first one, so I just kind of copied it into the second one. So yeah, these are 2 of the gift baskets. Now I also have these, what are these called? Xylophone bags, cellophane, whatever these are called. These like clear plastic bags that you actually put the gift into. and tie it up. I also got these from the Dollar Tree, and you get 2 per pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these up and then tie some ribbon. Y'all, these are pretty big to be 50 cents. That's a pretty big bag. Well, it's long. Maybe too long. I might cut the bag. Okay, so this next basket is going to be pretty similar to the first two. I did decide to use a different actual container though, because the name of this scent is called Little Black Party Dress. So I thought it'd be cute to get a black one instead. Yeah, I got the basket at Dollar Tree. And I could not find like gold of the paper shreds. And then I did find some, I think it may be Target, but it was like $3, which is ridiculous for trash. Like that people just gonna throw it away. So this is actually a like tinsel garland that I just folded up, and it fits perfectly in the bottom of the basket, and it's honestly less messy than that. So just a tip for any of you guys that, you know, maybe you don't like the paper shreds so much. If you could find the color tinsel that you want, it's much less messy. There's not little pieces falling out. It's one long piece, and you can basically fold it up to fit into the basket or buy as many as you need to fit the basket. So yeah. So I have the shower gel and the lotion just like the other ones. This one I went ahead and just got 2 face masks so I can like even it out and stuff. I got one of those bath crystal things as well with the gold to keep up with the color scheme. And then this one I also found a little bag. So this would be cute for like makeup brushes and traveling. And it's black and gold and white, so it fits the theme. And then for my like candy snack aspect, I'm gonna put some of these little Ghirardelli squares in here. And y'all, these are so good. I love these chocolates. So yeah, now I'm gonna put this basket together. Alright, so this is how this basket looks. I'm gonna see if I can give y'all a closer look. So this is how this one looks. I put these on either side to kind of balance out the weight. The makeup pouch is in the back. the two face masks, the little crystal down here, and then the little chocolates are down at the front, but you can't really see. And honestly, y'all, gift baskets are such a great idea for Christmas gifts. Even not just Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, baptism gifts, graduation gifts, Valentine's Day gifts. Like, they're literally good for any occasion, and it's so good that you can really make them your own. So you can really customize them to the person. You know, if it was like a kid, you can easily do like a Frozen themed basket, or like a Pokemon themed basket, or you could do a spa themed basket, or like if it's for Valentine's Day, you can do like a date night basket. Like, there's so many different variations that you can do it. Or you can just do it something personalized to that person. Maybe that person is just starting fashion school, and you can make them a basket with like needles and threads, and you know, like, you can literally do anything. So alright, y'all, so on to the last basket. This one is going to be the most, or the least like the other three. So this one, I went with a pink themed basket. So I could not find a cute pink basket that was also affordable and that was the right size, so I just went with a white one, but it still complements the color scheme very well. So yeah, I have my paper shreds. I have some pink fuzzy like house socks, this champagne toast body spray from Bath and Body Works, a champagne toast hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. For my snack candy aspect, I found this bag of pink wrapped Hershey's Kisses, and it's like regular milk chocolate, but they're just pink wrapped. So I thought that would be perfect because I didn't want to get like a random like raspberry flavored candy or something just so it to be pink and like the person not like it, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is cute. I have this under eye mask thing, this like makeup type of bag. This one is actually more of a rose gold than pink, but it was pink enough. And then this like portable charger, which I think this is a great gift for anybody, like teenagers, adults, anybody with a cell phone, a camera, like literally anybody with an electronics. It's a good gift. And you can get these for like $5, and you can get them in multiple colors and things like that. So this is great for gift baskets or stocking stuffers as well. I also found this face mask. Another one of those like bath crystal things, and the packaging was the perfect color to go with the theme of the basket. And this is honey flower scented. And then I have a bath poof or a sponge, whatever, and it's like a light pink color. And then this person is getting a pink and Victoria's Secret gift card, but I'm not gonna put it in this black thing, which it actually is really cute that not Bath and Body Works, that Victoria's Secret gave these out. These were so cute, but I actually found these at Target, in their dollar spot, so you get 4 in each pack for $1, and they had many different like colors and patterns, but I thought this one would be perfect to go in this pink basket. And then I also have a couple other gift cards that I wanted to send out, and I figured I could just use these as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this last basket together and then show you guys how it turns out. Alright, so this is how I arranged this one. I put the like makeup travel bag in the back. I stood the body spray up on the floor of it to give it the best chances of not falling over and stuff like that. And this right here, I put the face mask, and then this is the under eye mask. I put the big poof thing down there. I put the power bank, the chargeable or the portable charger, and I stuck the gift card like towards the back. I was gonna put it in the front, but I decided to put it towards the back. The little bath crystals is down here, and I decided to wrap up the hand sanitizer in the socks so it doesn't get like lost in there, and then the little candy. So that's this one. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up like the other ones, and for this one I'm using the silver because the gold would just throw it off to me and I couldn't find pink. So yeah.